Noise surrounds us. You know that random beep in the house? The sharp, passive aggressive beep every 40 seconds? At first, you ignore it. Then you blame the microwave, the fridge, climate change, your own insanity. You walk around the house like an underpaid detective looking for the sound. Warmer? And finally, you look up. Smoke detector mounted on the ceiling, doing its job, crying for attention, low on battery. That's personal branding. Not the literal annoying sound of the smoke detector. Your brand is not something that you invent, it's something that's already installed. It's been beeping for years. In the stories that you tell, in the injustices that trigger you,
I'm vengeance.
and in the culture that you defend even though nobody asked you to. But instead of listening, we blame the trends. Maybe I need a niche. Maybe I need to rebrand. Maybe I should pivot. That discomfort, that's not confusion. That's just low battery. And the solution isn't to rip it off the ceiling. It's to climb up, change the battery, and realign it. When your brand is aligned, it stops screaming. Instead, it signals. And the only sound left in the room is that of clarity.